Here's a 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. This particular car, one of Harley Earl's design creations. 57 Eldo. We got this one from a collector of Cadillacs. This particular car, according to him, when he parked it, it was running, but he wanted to refreshen up the engine, started a tear down on it, and like a lot of projects, never got finished. So it's kind of in its partially tore down state, and we're going to sell this car as is. You can check out the still pictures, then you can see the engine bay. You can see we have the parts pictured up. Check out the car in the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to call us. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. The 365 is the engine that this would have came with. That's underneath the hood. Like I said, it's been torn down some. Water pump, AC components, I suppose, alternator, that type of stuff is pulled off of the engine intake. And again, check out the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. When I get around to the other side of the car, we check out the interior, and I'll pop the hood and show you it in this video also. As you can see, the paint's in decent shape, has a nice luster to it. I'd say the bright work's in nice shape. Now, there are some imperfections and what have you on the car. It's not perfect. I'll point some out in the rear deck lid. And also in the pictures, one of them is, I noticed up here, you can see where the vinyl roof has come out of the trim a little bit there. Other than that, the vinyl seems to be in nice shape. The bright work seems to be in decent shape on it. I mean, you come back here and look, there's some places where it's kind of dulled, but not bad. Now, the one thing I wanted to point out is back here in this trunk lid, you can kind of see along that bottom lip where it's starting to get a little rusted through in some spots. Anyway, I want to make you aware of that. And that's in the still pictures too. Once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. This was a nicely optioned car from Cadillac. It was a factory AC car. It had power windows. And you can see it's pretty straight too, up and down the sides of it. Black's not very forgiving for that, but you can see it's a nice straight car. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Pretty nice shape too, kind of a vinyl / leather and cloth combination. Door cards appear to be in nice shape. Retaining the stock dash. Lots of chrome, everything in here that made Cadillac so cool in '57, and all the cars back then. I shouldn't say all, but a lot of the cars back then with chrome accents. See, the headliner's in nice shape. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop this hood so I can kind of show you the state of the engine right now. You get an idea on that too. All right, here we got the hood popped now. Take a look underneath here. I believe that would have been the original color of the valve covers. 57 Eldos. You can see intakes off of it. Let's get around to the front of the engine. You can kind of see where he'd started tearing it down. Gonna rebuild it. Had everything labeled, it appears, and that's kind of where this one was left off. And again, still pictures will show the parts that come with it, where they're all set out and in the pictures. I also have a picture of the trunk with them in it. So check out those still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you'd like to give us a call, 507-386-1726. And we can assist with a non-operable car like this to get it shipped to your location too. It's not a problem. So give us a call, 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Seville.